Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Welcome to on the RK Scalper Learning channel with educator Durga Chaudhary. Today I have a very wonderful poem that is Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So let me give you brief introduction about Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore born on 7 May in 1861 and also Rabindranath Tagore became the first non-European who won the first Nobel Prize in English literature. And also this poem firstly Rabindranath Tagore wrote in Bengali language and also published in 1900. Then after Rabindranath Tagore again wrote this poem in English language and also published in 1912. Then after we come on the poem. So this poem is only based on an ideal nation where we can stay safe and free and we can do whatever we want to do with our own wish. So let me tell you about this poem. So this is very poem. That's why when the Barack Hussein Obama when he was the president of the America and he came to the India. So that time he said this above two line in the Indian Parliament because this very famous line. And so let me start and let me tell you about this line, the meaning of this line. So where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. So let me tell you the meaning of this above line. So when we feel free and whenever we feel without fear and we can stay in this world and we can stay in our India without any fairness, we can talk freely with someone. That's why here is written that where the mind is without fear, we can thought freely for anything. And where knowledge is free means we know that this time we are paying a lot of things for getting knowledge. So Rabindranath Tagore was saying that knowledge, where knowledge is free means we can get knowledge without any restriction. We can knowledge without any hesitation. And where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Fragment means separate pieces. Mean here poet says that when we stop to look others people, why those bad ways that we are Indians, they are related with other religions and other country also. When we will feel free and we will accept all religions, and we know that in our India there are so many different religions. I can say that we all have not only our religion. We know that some people are poor and some people are very rich. So this line says that whenever we will feel free and whenever we stop to think about all those divisions as like social status, religions, and also nationality and also family structure. Means some people are saying that some people are discrimination about girls and boys. So we can means Rabindranath Tagore is imagination about that ideal nation where we can get knowledge without any hesitation. So now next, where words come out from the depth of truth, where we can where tireless striving means when he was imagining about an ideal nation where we can speak through means there will no any lie. Means when people will start to say lie, I want to say that when people will start to say true, so there will be no any cheating in this world also. And where tireless striving stretches their arms forward perfection means when we start to say truth from the people and whenever we become honest and truthful for our own work, so that time we can improve ourselves, we can improve this nation also. Where the where the where the
Clear.
where the clear stream of reason has not lost their way. Means we know that stream is a part of river and river always flow without any hesitation because we know that river always flow by the flow. So I want to say that when we will feel free for doing anything in this nation, so that time we can be free for doing anything. And also when we will be honest for our work, so that time we can we do anything, we will never feel fear because we are honest, we are not doing anything, we are not cheating with anyone. So now next, where the mind is led forward by thief into ever wandering thought and so let me tell you about these lines means. So here first says that when we will feel free for saying anything, so that time we can improve ourselves because we are trying to say truth with people, with our others relatives, so that time we can we do anything, and that time we will never feel any bad, that time we cannot feel fear with anyone while talking, while doing anything that time. So first says that we can improve ourselves, we can spread knowledge in every place, in everywhere. And lastly, into the heaven of freedom may Father let me come to awake. So these lines, I mean poet says that if we will be honest and if we will not feel bad for any people, and we will always be truthful, so that time we can be create an ideal nation in this India and also in this world. And here Father is indicated about the God, means Rabindranath Tagore was praying with God for creating us an ideal nation where we can stay safe and healthy. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.